Imagine waking up to find millions of jobs vanished overnight, replaced by intelligent machines. It sounds like science fiction, but it's happening right now. Experts are calling it the biggest transformation since the Industrial Revolution, with studies predicting that by 2030, more than 90 million roles could disappear worldwide. That's a staggering shift. But it's not all bad news, because while automation is replacing some positions, it's also creating brand new ones. The real difference between those who lose and those who thrive comes down to one thing: adaptation. Today, we'll explore which jobs are fading, which are growing, and how you can prepare yourself for this new era of intelligent work. Automation isn't coming, it's already here. Think about it. When was the last time you called customer service and spoke to a human right away? Most routine inquiries are now handled by digital assistants that never sleep, saving companies millions and shrinking traditional call center teams. In big corporations, the same story is unfolding behind the scenes. IBM's CEO recently announced a pause on hiring for thousands of support roles, predicting that nearly a third of them could soon be handled by software. That's thousands of jobs replaced not by people, but by programs that can process information faster, cheaper, and around the clock. Healthcare is changing too. Algorithms can now read X-rays and MRIs in seconds, sometimes spotting issues faster than doctors. Hospitals use digital scribes that listen to consultations and automatically generate notes. Scheduling, billing, triage, all handled by virtual systems that never tire. And transportation? Self-driving trucks and taxis are already on the roads. Analysts warn that within the next decade, up to half of all driving jobs could disappear. From checkout kiosks to robotic assembly lines, automation is spreading fast. The takeaway is simple. Roles built on repetition and routine are the first to go. But this shift goes far beyond factories and call centers. It's quietly transforming white-collar work too. Take the legal industry. Tasks that once kept teams of paralegals busy for weeks can now be done in minutes. Intelligent search tools scan thousands of contracts, highlight crucial clauses, and even draft basic agreements. Fewer people are needed for grunt work, but those who embrace the tech gain more time for strategy and clients. In journalism, software now produces quick reports on sports scores, stock updates, and weather patterns. Reporters use it to summarize interviews or suggest headlines, freeing them to focus on the storytelling that only humans can deliver. Marketing has changed as well. Smart tools analyze customer behavior, predict trends, and even generate ad copy. One specialist using these systems can outperform entire teams, because data, personalization, and creativity now work hand in hand. Even creative professions are feeling the impact. Intelligent generators can compose music, design visuals, and assist teachers with lesson planning, not replacing people, but accelerating what they can produce. Automation isn't just taking over tasks, it's rewriting how work gets done. Here's the real truth. The future belongs to those who know how to collaborate with these tools, not compete against them. You've probably heard the saying, your job won't be taken by technology, it'll be taken by someone who knows how to use it. And that's exactly what's unfolding today. Writers who use digital assistants for early drafts, doctors who rely on smart diagnostics, analysts who interpret predictive models, they're becoming supercharged versions of themselves. These systems aren't replacing experts. They're amplifying them. A whole new category of work is emerging. Roles like prompt engineer, where people specialize in crafting the perfect inputs to get the best results from intelligent models. Some of these positions already command six-figure salaries, and professionals who can read, interpret, and make decisions from complex data are becoming indispensable in nearly every field. Simply put, those who are fluent in this new language of technology will move faster, go further, and earn more. At the same time, new human-centered careers are appearing, ones focused on what machines can't do. There are model trainers who refine systems with human feedback. ethics and safety experts ensuring automated decisions remain fair and transparent. Communicators who translate technical insights into plain language for leaders and customers. And then there are the timeless professions: teachers, therapists, creatives, and leaders. People who rely on empathy, judgment, and imagination. Intelligent tools can assist them, but they can't replace the human spark that drives trust, emotion, and inspiration. Just like the machines of the Industrial Revolution amplified human muscle, today's technology amplifies the human mind. But it still needs direction, and that direction comes from us. So how do you stay ahead in this new landscape? First, embrace the tools. Don't fear them. Use them. Experiment with the technology in your own work. Let it save you time, spark new ideas, or handle the boring parts so you can focus on what matters most. Second, develop hybrid skills. Combine your existing expertise with a touch of tech literacy. If you're in marketing, learn to craft effective prompts. If you're in healthcare, explore new digital systems for patient management. If you're in design, experiment with creative assistants. The combination of human insight and machine capability is incredibly powerful. Third, double down on what makes you human. Creativity, critical thinking, empathy, and leadership. These are the traits that can't be automated. They'll only become more valuable as technology handles the rest. And finally, never stop learning. This field evolves fast. Stay curious, take short courses, follow innovations in your industry, and stay open to change. Adaptability is the superpower of the modern worker. Yes, automation is shaking up the job market, but every major technological revolution, from steam engines to the internet, has created more opportunities than it destroyed. The future won't be jobless, it will be skill-based. We'll see entirely new careers we can't even imagine yet, from virtual experience designers to digital wellness coaches. So don't picture a robot taking your job. Picture one working beside you. The Industrial Revolution amplified our strength. This revolution amplifies our intelligence. Technology isn't the end of work, it's the next chapter of it. The winners will be those who evolve with the change, not those who resist it. If this gave you something to think about, give it a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more insights into the future of work and innovation. Together, let's not fear what's coming. Let's shape it.